Good morning, everybody. I am Manoj Kumar Nagar. I am giving lecture on chapter 5th of other relational languages. Other relational language, tuple relational calculus, domain relational query by exam, data log. Tuple relational non-procedural query language where each query is of the form T is to PT. T is the set of all tuples T such that predicate P is true for T. T is a tuple variable. A denotes the value of tuple T on attribute T belongs to R denotes the tuple T is in relation R. P is a formula similar to that of the predicate calculus. Predicate calculus formula. Set of attributes and constants. Set of comparison operators. Less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than, greater. कनेक्टिव्स कुछ होते हैं एंड और नॉट. इम्प्लीकेशन होता है एक्स इम्प्लाइज वाई, इम्प्लाइज वाई नॉर एक्स इम्प्लाइज वाई. क्वांटिफायर्स कुछ होते हैं देर एग्जिस्ट बिलोंग्स. इसका ये एग्जांपल है, ये आप देख सकते हैं. फिर बैंकिंग का एग्जांपल दिया है इसे ब्रांच टेबल में ब्रांच नेम, ब्रांच सिटी, एसेट्स, कस्टमर नेम, कस्टमर स्टेट. और भी अकाउंट का एग्जांपल, लोन एग्जांपल, डिपॉजिट और बोरोवर. Find the loan number, branch name, and amount of loan for loans of over $20 T such that T belongs to loan at the rate or T amount greater than 20. Find the loan number, branch name, and amount for loans of over T such that T belongs to an or T amount greater than 20. Find the loan number for each loan of an amount greater than T such that there exists T loan number, S loan number is amount greater than 20. T is that a relational schema loan number is implicitly defined by the query. Find the names of all customers having loan and account or both at the bank. Find the names of all customers having a loan and account or both at the bank. T says there is borrower, T customer name, customer name. All customers having a loan account or both at the bank. T says that there is so of all customers who have a loan and an account at the bank. Find the names of all customers having a loan and account or both at the bank. T says borrower, T customer names, S customer name, or there exists Q customer. All customers who have a loan and account at the bank. T says that there is borrower. To deploy belongs to depositor, customer name, customer name. कुछ ये एग्जांपल की क्वेरी से फाइंड द नेम ऑफ हैविंग अ लोन एट द पेरी ब्रिज ब्रांच. T is such that there exists as borrower customer name, loan branch Perich. Find the name of all customers who have loan at the Perich branch but no account at any branch of the. इसके लिए query है. Find the name of all those having loan for the Perry Bridge branch and the cities in which they are live. This is there is loan branch in Paris exists you number. Find the name of all those who have an account located in Brooklyn. इसके लिए एक query है. To write tuple calculus that generally defined, for example T is such that ये कुछ safety precautions है जो दिखाए गए हैं इसमें. Now equivalent to in power to the tuple relation. Each query is an expression of the when domain variables are represent a formula similar to that of the predicate calculus. I have a loan of over $1,200. Have a loan from the Perry branch. ये कुछ एग्जांपल क्वेरीज है जो इसमें दिखा गई है इस एग्जांपल में. फाइंड नेम ऑफ ऑल लोन एंड अमाउंट और बोथ एट द पे. Find the name of all who have an account at all branches located in Brooklyn. Expression x1 x2 p x1 x2 is safe if all of the following whole values that appear in tuples of the expression are value. Or if there exists a formula of the formula there exists x p1 x. Now it's true only if there is a value of x in domain p1 such that p1 x For all sub formula of the form there exists P1x, the formula is true if and only if it's true for all values of x from domain P1. क्वेरी बाय एग्जाम बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर होता है इसमें. क्वेरी ऑन वन रिलेशन, क्वेरीज ऑन सेवरल रिलेशंस, द कंडीशन बॉक्स होता है, रिजल्ट रिलेशन होता है, ऑर्डर करना पड़ता है टपल्स को, एग्रीगेट ऑपरेशन होते हैं, मॉडिफिकेशन होता है डेटाबेस में. इस तरह से QBE बोलते हैं इसे, क्वेरी बाय एग्जाम्पल.